Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into another crazy Linux drama. This one involves OBS Studio and Fedora. Yeah, you heard that right. OBS Studio is threatening Fedora with legal action. So let's get right into it. All right, so here's the scoop. Fedora is known for giving us a pretty reliable Linux desktop experience, always shipping the latest packages and even offering multiple editions for different kinds of users. But um, there's a catch. Fedora also distributes Flatpaks, packages built from their RPMs. And unfortunately, a lot of these Flatpaks, including OBS Studios, are, well, not in the best shape. Many of them are unmaintained or broken, which means users often end up with a poor experience without even knowing it. Now, things took a serious turn when OBS Studio, a super popular project, decided it had enough. Initially, just a request was sent out to either remove or improve the unofficial OBS Studio Flatpak that Fedora was shipping. But 3 weeks later, it escalated into an outright ultimatum. OBS lead Joel Bethke laid it out pretty clearly. Fedora needs to remove all OBS branding, the name, the logo, all of it, from their unofficial build by February 21st, 2025. Otherwise, legal action is on the table. And get this, Joel even mentioned that Fedora's approach to handling this issue had been less than professional. In a comment on a video by Brody Robertson, he revealed that some folks over at Fedora were uh, not taking the issue seriously. One person even went so far as to call the OBS studio devs terrible maintainers. I mean, seriously, that doesn't sound right at all. Following this, Neil Gompa, a well-known Fedora contributor and member of the Fedora Engineering Steering Committee, FESCO, stepped in. He opened a new issue aimed at removing Fedora's OBS Studio Flatpak from the registry as soon as possible, but it seems like there's still a lot of confusion and frustration in the community. Here's another twist. Nirui discovered that GNOME software now shows an end-of-life message for both the official OBS Studio Flatpak and Fedora's unofficial one. I even tested it out on my Fedora 41 installation, and the end-of-life message was pretty clear. Thankfully, another community member, Chris Williams, pointed out that this was likely because the official Flatpak version is running on an older, unsupported runtime. So it seems like this could be a temporary hiccup. In the end, I actually agree with the move to retire the unofficial OBS Studio Flatpak. Honestly, Fedora's Flatpaks have become more of a hindrance than a help in this situation. Removing them entirely might just be the best way to avoid these kinds of issues in the future. So, what do you all think? Did OBS Studio do the right thing by taking this legal stance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future Linux drama. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.